Hello everybody, very good morning. My name is Vishvadeep and I welcome you all on Unacademy Computer Science channel. This particular session is about your morning motivation, and here I am to bring you little bit smile, a little bit happiness and a little bit of motivation so that we both can work for that particular motive, which is your career, which is your good future, and which is your bright and really aspiring career. So let's start the session, and let's start the session with a story. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग सी स्टोरी मैं आप लोगों के लिए लेके आया हूं, और ये स्टोरी सुन के आप लोगों को बहुत 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 मजा आएगा. चलिए तो सुनिए. तो एक बहुत पुराने टाइम की बात है, जब एक बहुत फेमस गुरु हुआ करते थे, जो लोगों को बड़ा अच्छा सा जीवन का ज्ञान दिया करते थे. एंड काफी सारे लोग अपनी अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स, समस्याएं लेके उनके पास पहुंचते थे, और फिर वो उन्हें उनके समस्या के बेसिस पे, उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स के बेसिस पे सॉल्यूशन दिया करते थे. नाउ सी, so people used to go him and used to ask him what is the problem, this is the problem, that's the problem, and he used to give the answers, solutions and all. There was one person who went to the guru and asked him, sir, guruji, pranam, and this is my problem is I want to have one mantra. मुझे एक मंत्र चाहिए जिससे मैं क्या कर पाऊं, जिससे मैं सक्सेस हो पाऊं. आई वॉन्ट वन मंत्रा ऑफ सक्सेस थ्रू विच आई कैन गेट सक्सेस इन माई लाइफ. सो गुरु आस्क्ड हिम, डू वन थिंग. In the morning, tomorrow 5 a.m. you just meet near to the river. मुझे आज कल सुबह 5 बजे आप नदी के पास मिलिए. Okay, fine. That was really good enough. So what has happened? The guru has asked the person to meet him on the morning. The person has reached little bit ahead of the time, just because he was very excited. Entire night he could not even sleep. What is that mantra guru is telling me or going to tell me? Is that hard work? Is that perseverance? Is that this or is that that? He was guessing lots of things, and then after that he could not sleep entire night, and then next day morning he has reached to the river bank. Now what happened? In the next morning, when he has reached ahead of the time, waiting, guru has reached exactly around same time, 5 a.m. and then guru has asked him, do you know how to swim? Then the student replied, no sir, मुझे तैरना नहीं आता, I don't know how to swim. Guru told, okay, then trust me and let's go inside. So they were both walking inside the river, walking inside. They are going. River is flowing, it's too deep, the river is, and they are going inside the water. They are walking. The person is so excited, having lots of curiosity also in the mind. Okay, what will happen next? Why we are going inside? What is there inside? Mantra is there inside the water, inside the river. What kind of mantra guru is going to tell me? Okay, he is very excited, and everything he is thinking about that kind of mantra. And they are walking inside. Now the water is up to the knee level, घुटने तक पानी आ चुका है, and then he is still asking, slowly, go ahead, let's go. So guru is holding the hand of the student, and guru is walking inside slowly, student is following him slowly, and they are going inside. Now the water is up to the waist level, and now the excitement of the student is going towards the reverse side. How the excitement is getting down, and now the fear is getting up. अब डूबने का डर है, अब sinking होने का डर है. The student is now little bit scared that what if I will go inside the water? What if I will die here? Okay, fine, but still excitement is there. That's why he is following the guru is asking him, let's go ahead, more and more, going inside. Now the water is up to the chest level. The student is now having 80% fear, only 20% excitement remaining. 20% only excitement remaining. Now almost the person is in the fear, very afraid, just because the student is not knowing, student doesn't know how to swim. The guru says, let's go ahead, more. Now student is asking, what is the mantra, sir? Now you tell me why we are going ahead. I will sink down, I will die. Guru said, don't be afraid. Let's just trust me. Let me go ahead. Let me do whatever I want. Student is having the water up to the neck level, and now 100% fear, no any excitement left. The student is saying, no Guru, I will not go ahead. Now I will die. Now Guru just put up the hand on his head and in the water. The person is in the water. The person is not able to breathe inside. Of course, nobody can breathe inside the water. Now the person is like, wow, now I am gonna die. What Guru is saying? Guru is giving me the gyan, or Guru is just murdering me? I don't know. मैं मर जाऊंगा. अब क्या होगा? अब क्या होगा? What will happen now? And then the person is too much filled up with the fear and fear of the death. The person is going inside. Nah, I cannot breathe inside. I cannot now live. The Guru has ruined my career, ruined my life, and I am gonna die today. He was about to lose his breath. At that moment, Guru has brought him up again. वापस गुरु उनको ऊपर लाते हैं, and that fellow is not having any kind of excitement now. Zero excitement and zero any kind of motivation, nothing. That fellow was now full of fear plus full of anger. What you are doing? I would have been died. मैं मर जाता. अभी क्या कर रहे हो गुरुजी आप? And Guru saying to him, you could understand your breath, and could you understand the excitement inside? No, but you could understand the importance of your breath. क्या आपको अपनी सांसों की जरूरत महसूस हुई? Yes, he told yes. Now Guru told the mantra of success is, if you need the success as hell as you needed breathing inside the water, you can get success. जितनी जरूरत तुम्हें उस पानी के अंदर सांसों की थी जीने के लिए, उतनी जरूरत अगर तुम्हें सक्सेस की होगी तो nobody can stop you to get success. And the person easily could understand, हाँ सर आपने बहुत सही बताया. जितनी जरूरत अगर आपको सक्सेस की है, अगर आप उतनी जरूरत, जितनी जरूरत आपको सांसों की है, you have, yes, need, not requirement, need of your breathing. Yes, how much? As much as if you can have the need of success, you can get the success. And the quote of the day is this: when something is important enough, you do it even all the odds are not in your favor. Whatever has happened, whatever will happen, whatever is happening, you cannot stop yourself by doing hard work and by doing that important thing. Why? Just because that important thing is so important. So if you say, sir, I want to get the rank first or under 100 in the GATE, I want to get a job in this company, I want to get a job which can give me 10 lakhs of package, you just ask yourself, create a need of that job, create a need of that rank, create a need of that success in your life, in that sense that this is only the life for me. This is the only need for me in this real world. Nothing else is important as this much is, or this important thing is. And you can study in any odd situation. You can study in any odd kind of condition. Whatever has happened, whatever is gonna happen, whatever is happening, you will not care about that particular thing. If you have the need of success in your life, you have the need of that specific important thing in your life. So what exactly you learn today is, again I am repeating in Hindi and English both, if you have the need of success as hell as you need the breathing in this particular world, you can get success. जितनी जरूरत आपको अपनी सांसों की है, अगर उतनी जरूरत आप क्रिएट कर सकते हो अपनी सक्सेस के लिए, तो डेफिनेटली आपको सक्सेस मिलेगी, अदरवाइज नहीं. So definitely go ahead with that particular motivation and keep inspiring yourself. One more last point I want to give you is outside motivation can last only for few minutes or few days or few weeks. That's it. It cannot a long lasting thing. So if you want to get success and if you want to be motivated, you need to learn how to motivate yourself. Yes, you need to have a self-motivated person, otherwise you cannot achieve whatever you want. एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल मैं दूंगा. बलून, you blow the balloon, I am blowing the balloon so that it can be in the air and I am just leaving it onto the you. The motivation is like blowing a balloon, I am giving it to you. Now if you will not tight it from inside, the balloon cannot possess the air and it cannot be in the air. It will slowly, eventually, very early will go down. And motivation works exactly same way. So you'll have to tie a knot and you'll have to be in that particular situation of motivated, highly motivated position only when you inspire yourself by yourself, to you motivate yourself. So inspiration, motivation can come from outside world, yes, but those are not long lasting. Long lasting inspiration will always be coming from your own world. So keep that particular thing in mind and remember, everything is important if you have that particular thing in your need. Otherwise everything is as regular as a regular thing. Fine. Thank you so much for listening this particular session and thank you so much for giving me opportunity to speak to you guys about this particular thing. Stay motivated, keep learning, happy learning. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.